Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on TECNO Spark 20p. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. And now click open, then click continue, and here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again, and here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue. Now you can pick turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.